Hello everyone, in this video we are going to use a tool named Sherlock. This tool is using Python script. If I go to about, here you can see hunt down social media accounts by username across social network. So using this tool we can hunt down all the social networks of a username. If you have legit permit to hack any company or any website, you can hunt down all their social media account using Sherlock. You may find some sensitive information. In this video I'll going to use Kali Linux and simple terminal. If you're using any other operating system, you may continue. Process is the same. All you need is install Git and Python 3. If I scroll down, here you can see installation process. It's the simple installation process. First we need to clone the repo, and then we need to cd into the directory, then install the requirements file. So for now, if I just open my terminal, first of all, if I copy this and paste it in my terminal and press enter, it will start cloning the Sherlock repositories from GitHub. Now we have successfully downloaded the GitHub repositories for us. Next thing we need to do, if I just type ls, here you can see there is a folder or directory named Sherlock. So if I just go here and type cd, then Sherlock, and press enter, if I give ls command again, here you can see all the files inside of this directory. So now what we need to do, we need to install all the requirements. How we can install this? Using this script. If I just copy this and go there and paste the clipboard, and if I just press enter, it will install all the requirements for us. Now we have successfully installed Sherlock. So now is the usage part. How we can use this? Simple tool is Python 3 Sherlock help. So if I just go here and clear my console, then if I just type Python 3, then Sherlock, then H, here you can see all the command we can use here, all the arguments we can use here. In this video I'll not discuss everything. I'll show you the simple uses, how we can use the Sherlock tool. For that you need to type Python 3, then Sherlock, then the username. If I just type FAHIM 1 and press enter, it will search every social network or whatever social network list they have, and they'll find all the information available on this name. This one is my username on Facebook. Here you can see they are finding all the social media account. If I just press Ctrl C, it will stop it. This file is not saved because I don't save it, so I can simply use the Sherlock tools Fahim1 and then output as fahim1.txt. if I just give this command and press enter, here you can see every result is here and the process has been finished. If I just give command ls, here you will see a file fahim.txt. if I just use cat fahim.txt, here you can see all the address is saved on a text file. So ethical hacker can use this text file to visit their social media account or may find some important information from their social networks to hack into their company. So if you have legit permit to hack and company, you may run this test or you may hunt down the social media account using Sherlock. So thanks for watching. If you find any problem, please let me know in comment section. I'll be glad to reply.